Good morning, and welcome to another Antiques Minute with the Antiques Answer Man. No, I'm over here. Hi. This morning I want to talk to you about some really interesting carved figures. Now, people have been carving figures for many years, but these ones I want to show you are by some particular carvers. Some are Canadian, some are from other countries, and as we go through them, I'll explain that to you. First of all, we have three little characters here. We have one older gentleman, bearded gentleman over here looking at, I'm not sure what. Another fella who's deep in thought here, and of course the last fella's reading. These three characters are very well done. They're by a Swedish artist by the name of Emil Janel. And he painted anywhere back in the 1920s to the 1940s. His carvings are very much sought after today. He did his carving both in Sweden and, of course, in the United States, where he moved to. And I have had these for, I'm not sure, probably close to 20 or 25 years. I just love them. They're an excellent example of carved figures, very well done, painted, all the work, the detail work that went into the painting of each character, not just the facial and hands features, but also the clothing, even down to the shoes. Wonderful carving. Now, Janel's work can run anywhere probably from $3,000 to $4,000 up to $10,000 for a carving. These little guys are probably about $3,500 to $4,000 each. Now I'd like to move over here to the waiter. Now this fella is a Canadian carver, carved likely in the 1930s, 1920s, somewhere in there. And again, great detail, not as detailed as Janel's, but still very well done. And what I like about this particular character is the look on his face. He's all ready to serve. He's got his towel over his arm. A great carving as well. Again, by a Canadian artist. This one next to him, you can see is quite detailed, but not painted. Now this is a character out of Port Joli in Quebec. And they painted, or carved a lot of figures similar to this. Men out in the woods, fishermen, all different kinds of characters who are at work. And this particular guy is a woodsman. Now these two characters, the waiter here, likely somewhere in the $500 to $600 range, maybe a little higher. This particular woodsman, probably about $300 to $400. Now in front we've got two little characters. Now you'll notice they're all a little different size. Now these ones are again by a Canadian carver, and show a smaller feature, but still pretty well done and interesting in that they are particular characters. This one is obviously a teacher, and the other little guy, I'm not sure what he is, but I suggest he's maybe some sort of a religious figure. Again, well done. They would fetch maybe somewhere in the area of, maybe $100 to $150 each. And again, done probably in the maybe 30s or 40s. So this is my little collection of people, all hand carved, all well done and interesting. Hand carved figures are of this caliber are kind of hard to find in the marketplace today. But when you can find them, collect them. They become friends. no matter where you would put them in your home. So this has been an Antiques Minute with the Antiques Answer Man, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Ahoy, mateys! If you're enjoying our videos and would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe.